Sometimes love isn't enough.
You know I love you. I'm sorry that I said I didn't earlier. It's just the one thing I knew would hurt you. I'm sorry. But you know I love you. And I know that you love me too. It's just that sometimes love isn't enough. At least not for us. I mean, it shouldn't be this hard, you know? We're always fighting and saying things that we don't mean and then we can't take them back, and I hate that. I wish I could forget all of the bad, but we haven't been on the same page.
Salamat kay Bathala at natagpuan kita. Isang halik mo katumbas ng aking isang buga. Nasa likod ko palagi sa tuwing kumakanta. Kaya malaboy yata na makalimutan kita. Mga halimuyak mo at titig na mimiss ko na. Kailan kaya ulit muling matatabihan ka? Paligayahin akong todo, ikaw lang nakagawa. Kaya umaasa na muling magbabalik ka pa. Kung nangungulit, pagpasensya ka mo na. Hindi lang talaga kayang tuluyang mawala. Buhat ng iyong paglisan labis sa aking pagluksa. Pag-isipan mong mabuti, sana bumalik ka na. Gaano at talento, ikaw ang bumuo. Lahat ng ginagawa ko ay para din sa'yo. Kung ahantungan lamang nito'y pagkabigo, hindi sapat na dahilan upang mapahinto. Sana pagbigyan mo na muli kang mahagan. Makulong sa yakap muli kong masaksihan. Pagmamahalan natin nagkaroong katapusan. Alaala na gawa patuloy kong babalikan. Alam kong kasama dito ang masawi. Ang tanong ngayon ay kailan ka uuwi? Alam kong kasama dito ang masawi. Ang tanong ngayon ay kailan ka uuwi?
How do we grow from here? Maybe we don't. I think we both know that we've grown apart, that we want different things, and I think the reason that it hurts so bad is because I still love you with all of my heart, and you'll always have a piece of me, but I don't want to do this anymore. I want to break up. I'm sorry. You know I love you, but love just isn't enough.